Hi everyone, and today I'll be talking about Article 2 of Universal Declaration of Human Rights, freedom of discrimination. This article means that everyone is equal and should never be treated unfairly because of their gender, religion, and background. It means us that human rights belong to all people, everywhere without exception. Freedom from discrimination is a fundamental human right recognized in international law that prohibits treating people differently without reasonable justification based on certain protected characteristics. This right means everyone is entitled to all human rights and freedoms without distinctions, much as those based on color, sex, language, religion, political, or other national or social origin, property, birth, or other status. It also obliges states to ensure equal protection under the law and take steps to prevent discrimination, including the addressing historical inequalities and protecting vulnerable groups. In this video, I will share three simple solutions about freedom from discrimination. First is discrimination against indigenous people. Indigenous groups were often excluded from education and public services. Their ancestral lands were taken for mining and agriculture without their consent, showing clear discrimination based on ethnicity and social status. Second is a discrimination against Filipino farmers and laborers. During the Spanish and early Greek periods, farmers and laborers were treated unfairly, forced to work long hours for low pay, and denied rights simply because of their social class. Third example is a discrimination against LGBTQ people. In past decades, members of LGBTQ plus community face bullying, exclusion from jobs, and social stigma because of their gender identity or sexual orientations, violating their right to equality.
No one is here to protect us. People here don't see us as human beings. To them, we are garbage.
The Manobas were also attacked 5 years ago when the
dapat sana ang magsasaka dapat bigyan nila ng pansin na tulungan talaga nila kasi ito man talaga ang pinakakailangan talaga ng tao. Kahit nga hindi magsasaka, kahit nga kayo, mula sa magsasaka ang kinukuhanan ng pagkain.
Society has looked down upon agriculture. It's a mindset that we have to change. The term hampas lupa, that describes what? The most pitiful, diba? The most, the lowest, diba? In society.
This impression that LGBTs are accepted in Philippines is actually a sham tolerance.
Pati, natatagpo ang patay sa kanyang apartment sa Caloocan. Tagtad ng saksak ang biktima na ilang araw na palang patay.
Kahapon ng umaga, natagpuan ng bako PNP sa gilid ng expressway ang isang maleta. Nakilala ang bangkay na si Robert William Riley o mas kilala bilang si Ashley Ann, isang Pinay transgender.
following the murder of transgender woman Jennifer Ronaldo in the Philippines, lesbians, gays, bisexual, and transgender rights groups continue to push for dialogue on issues facing their community.
We should be free in America to discriminate.
So, freedom from discrimination reminds us that everyone deserves to be treated equally, no matter who they are or where they came from. Let's do our part to respect others and stand against any form of discriminations. My name is Micah Michael. Thank you for watching.